Hello, welcome to my video how to backup all image windows. I use that software macrium reflect is run this as administrator. You can backup all disk from computer from one file. If can new version, this disk is no image windows. This Windows image. Click. Backup, select image disk. Only image. And folder. Backup folder. Image PC. Tak, image PC is next. Next. Finish. And now save and backup now. It is a long time backup my system for SSD for network NAS. Now is backup image finish it. This MS box is here. And I click OK and stop and close this check this file. Na sleep image. This now image Windows image 42 GB. It is rename. Tak. PC Windows 7 meaning when for recovery restore is right click and restore. For restore is restore. Restore and select disk for restore. From restore and you can select нет that existing and select the disk for restore this. You can restore this, and you can for restore select disk. Can okay, scanner can restore this finished video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.